of machine in human life. The invention of steam engine made by Thomas Savery and James Watt led to a remarkable change in the history of mankind. The invention led to an industrial revolution which was begun in Britain in 18th century. Industrial revolution means change in the system of production from handmade goods to machine-made goods. This paved the way for factory system, where human power was replaced by mechanical power. The present age that we live in is an age of machines. Machines became an inevitable part of our lives. Machines have an effect on human life. Machines have advantages and disadvantages. Now I would like to invite all the participants to the stage. The contestants are placed into two groups, Group A and Group B. Group A, Ryan, Upasana, Rashid, Anika, Jerusha, Alina. Group B, Anis, Nida, Sanjan, Azim, Hamzat, Aisha. The Group A contestants makes the statement about the advantages of the machines, and the Group B contestants will state the argument against Group A and support the disadvantages of machine. First of all, I would like to call upon Ryan from Group A to speak about the advantages of machines.
Good morning to all. My name is Ayan Ahmed. So, regarding the debate, I am going to speak about the advantages of machines. Machines can process a lot of machines can process a vast of data quickly and fastly for our emergencies. Example: computers, laptops, etc. We use machines every day in our life. So machines are always important for our life. Machines process and analyze a lot of volumes of data quickly for extracting insights of aiding in research. Thank you.
Well done, Raya. Now Anis can make the arguments with opposing statements.
Good morning to all. My name is Anis Ahsan, and regarding the debate topic effects of machines in human life, I would like to present my views against Group A statement supporting the disadvantages of machines. Machines, too remarkable, rely on power sources. Without electricity or fuel, they become motionless as a statue. It's always better to use alternative sources instead. Job displacement. Machines can replace human workers in certain industries, leading to unemployment and economic challenges. Thank you.
Well said, Anis. Upasana can state the points in favor of Group A.
Good morning to all. My name is Upasana. Regarding the debate topic, the effects of machines in human life, I would like to present my views in favor of the advantages of machines. Global connectivity. Machines facilitate communication and connection with people worldwide, fostering cultural exchange and collaboration. Machines enable seamless and instant communication across long distances, facilitating global connectivity. It helps us to stay connected in spite of the circumstances. Sharing of ideas, goods, and services to globalization is also possible because of the advances in communication technology and the media. We no longer need to rely on sending physical letters and waiting several days for a response. Technology has made communication so simple that we can connect with anyone from anywhere. Some good examples are mobile phone, tablets, computers, etc. Innovation. Machines will have a profound impact on a wide variety of fields, including automation, healthcare, natural language processing, transportation, personalized experiences, cybersecurity, and science. When it comes to equipment and machinery, technological innovation can prove to improve the productivity in terms of output, speed, and decrease the time and cost of downtime. The effectiveness of systems, goods, and services is improved by technology. Some good examples are 3D printings, engines, AI, robotics, drones, etc. Thank you.
Well done, Upasana. Nida Kausar can make the opposing arguments with the disadvantages of machines.
Good morning. My name is Nida from class 5F. Regarding the debate topic, I would like to present my views of disadvantages against team A. Quality of information. Not all information are available through machines. Inaccurate or reliable lead to misinformation and confusion. It is important to consider the potential disadvantages of using machines in production. Automation may bring a lack of jobs for people, increasing manufacturing costs, or lead to social isolation. Too much usage of gadgets will make our interactions limited. Example, thank you.
Well said, Nida. Now Rashid can state his point of view supporting the group A.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Rashid from class 5S. Today I want to speak about effects of machines in human life. Safety. Machines can be used in harsh environment and protect humans. Perform dangerous tasks and minimizing risks. Robots eliminate dangerous tasks for humans because they are capable of working in any dangerous situation, such as lifting heavy loads, toxic substances, and repetitive tasks. This has made companies to prevent such accidents. With saved money and time. With advanced automations, company can prevent such accidents. Nowadays, machines do all the work for humans. Machines can prevent such accidents, such as exposure of harmful chemicals, repetitive strain injuries, RSIS, welding accidents, and falls. Career opportunities. Knowledge of technology opens a door to various career paths, offering a wide range of opportunities. Knowledge of technology provides online courses, online degrees, and many things to provide knowledge to humans. Thank you.
Very good, Rashid. Sanjan will present his arguments supporting Group B.
Good morning to all. My name is Sanjan. Regarding the debate topic, effects of machines in human life, I would like to present my views against Group A statements about disadvantages of machines. Ethical concern. The use of machines raises ethical questions regarding privacy, data security, and the potential misuse or abuse of technology. Understanding and navigating ethical issues related to technology use such as privacy concerns and the biases of algorithms. Agricultural machinery. Technology in the field of agriculture had many negative effects on the field of agriculture. So it's not good for the crops to grow. The pollution caused by machine increases, generating waste, augmenting power or oil use. Health disorders can cause injuries if workers do not use personal protective equipment effectively. Lots of machines in our surroundings increases air pollution, noise pollution, water pollution. Lots of machines like mobile phones can affect our eyesight. Thank you.
Well done, Sanjay. Anita can present the statements supporting Group A.
Good morning to all. My name is Anika. Regarding the debate topic effects of machines in human life, I would like to present my views supporting Group A on the advantages of machines. Speed. Machines can process information, perform calculations at a much more faster rate than humans, enabling quick decision making and problem solving. Machines can work more effectively and faster. It increases the labor mobility to where it is most required. Increased productivity. Machines can work continuously without fatigue, leading to higher output and productivity levels. It can perform intricate and delicate tasks such as surgeries or manufacturing processes. And
Well said, Anika. Now Azim will present his arguments against Group A statements.
Good morning to all. My name is Azim. Regarding the debate topic effects of machine in human life, I would like to present my views against Group A statement supporting the disadvantages of machines. Overdependence. Overdependence can impact us physically, mentally, and emotionally if we are not careful. It can be also harmful to others. It can make us lazier day by day. We will also lose our ability to memorize and find solutions, and also miss out some important stages of the life such as human interaction, the beauty of nature and life overall. Health concern. Frequent use of machine leads to serious health issues. Overuse of screen time leads to eye strain, difficulty focusing on tasks, and depression. The radiation released from smartphones are absorbed by human body, which can cause tumors. The often use of vehicle leads to cause increase in pollution, which is damaging the environment. Thank you.
Very good, Azim. Next, Jirisha is going to talk about her.
Good morning. My name is Telisha from class 5C. Regarding the debate competition, I am a favor of advantages of machines. Accessibility. Machines can assist the individuals and disabilities, providing them with greater independence and opportunities. Agricultural machinery. Agricultural machinery, also known as agricultural tech, is an essential tool for improving agricultural production. It helps farmers to grow more crops in less time and with greater efficiency. It can include anything from harvesters and tractors to animal feed mixers or field-wide weed removers. Environmental impact. Production and disposal of machines contribute to environmental pollution and electronic waste. Thank you.
Well done, Jirisha. Hamzat will oppose the statement of Group A with his arguing statements favoring the disadvantages of machines.
Good morning to all. My name is Hamzat. Regarding the debate topic, effects of machines in human lives, I would like to present my views to Group A students supporting the disadvantages of machines. Excessive reliance on machines may hinder problem-solving skills and creativity. It makes humans vulnerable if the technology fails on malfunction. The pollution caused by machine increases, generating waste, augmenting power or oil use. The output work of the machine is smaller than the work put into it. Machines are expensive to buy, maintaining and repair. Machines with or without uninterrupted use will be get and worn out. The maintenance and the repair are costly, different to the set up of operate without previous training. Thank you.
Good morning. I'm Arina from 5th A.
Well done, Hamza. Alina will make clear her points in supporting the Group A statements.
Good morning. I'm Alina from 5th A. Regarding the debate competition, I would like to talk in the favor of advantage of machines. I would like to talk about the topic efficiency and convenience. Machines make our tasks quicker and easier, saving time and effort. Machines can carry out your task in faster, quicker and efficient way. Our laptops, phones and microwaves, etc. are all examples of machines which help in our daily life. Electronic devices, machines and even some robots are used to automate tasks which are used to be completed by humans. Learning enhancement. Educational tools and devices help in interactive learning and skill development. They give teachers on consuming time on aspects of grading students, allowing them to give more attention to individuals with specific problem or to concentrate on particular with difficult area of instructions. Thank you.
Very good, Alina. Aisha Simran can present her arguing statements in support of the Group B.
Good morning everyone. My name is Aisha Sindra from class 5C. Regarding the debate competition, today I am to speak about the topic disadvantages of machine. Cost. While machine can increase productivity and make our life easier, avoiding them can be a significant financial investment. Machines are often complex and intricate, requiring skilled professionals to build and maintain them. It's important to consider both the benefits and costs before investing in machines. Machines can be prone to breakdowns, which can be costly and time-consuming. Breakdowns can happen at any time. Implementing automations can be expensive and the cost may not be recovered for some time. Pollution. Power plants and motor vehicles create pollution by burning sulfur-containing fuels, especially coal and diesel. Lots of machines causing environmental pollution such as air pollution, noise pollution, water pollution and more, and human has to face it. In the past, too much of using machines caused a hole in the ozone layer, flooding, greenhouse effect, global warming, etc. Thank you.
Well done, Aisha. Congratulations to all the contestants. Machines became a very important part of our lives and are helpful in many ways. There is no competition between humans and machines because humans are the creators of machines, which are used for various purposes. The effects of machine on society has both positives and negatives.